Hi students, how are you doing? In today's video we're going to learn some other vowel sounds. The sound ow, ow, and ah, ah. First let's start with ow. This is the same sound that many people say ow if you hurt yourself. Ow, ow. And how do you spell this sound? O-W. Let's look at words with the ow sound. Cow, now, wow. Wow! We say that when we're surprised and happy. Down, clown, gown. Sound, ground, round. Mouth, south. So we can spell the ow with an OW or with a OU. They both have the same ow sound. Let's practice a chant to help us remember this sound. Wow! Look now! I see a cow. Wow! Look now! I see a cow. Look down! I see a clown. Look down! I see a clown. The next sound we're going to look at is ah. This sound is the same as when you go to the dentist. The dentist is like a doctor for your teeth. So the dentist will say, open your mouth, and you will ah, ah. This sound, ah, is spelt with A-W, ah. Let's practice some ah words. Saw, raw, jaw. This is my jaw. Paw is a hand for animals. The dog has a paw, not a hand. Paw. And draw. Draw a picture. Saw, raw, jaw, paw, draw. They all have the same ah sound. Now sometimes this sound can be spelled with an AU, like in the names like Paul or Saul, but usually this sound is an AW, ah sound. Now let's practice a chant with the ah sound. I saw a paw. I saw a paw. Can you draw a paw? Can you draw a paw? I saw a paw. Can you draw a paw? Let's practice listening to the two different sounds, ah and ow. So number one, we have pow, pow. Number two, paw, paw. Now listen to the word and think, am I saying number two or number one? Pow, pow. Number one. Paw, paw. Number two. Paw, paw. Number two. Pow, pow. Number one. So students, we have a little problem. You may remember that the OW sometimes says O, like the word low and snow. So sometimes the OW has two different sounds. O, low, snow. And sometimes the OW says ow, cow, now. So it's a good idea to practice the chants, practice the words so you can remember which words have the ow, cow, now, and what words have the o, low, snow. You just need to remember which words have which sound. Number 1, we have the word raw, ah, ah. Number 2, we have the word row. So in this OW, it is a long O sound, row. Now listen, think if I say number 1 or 2. Row. 2. Raw. 1. Raw. 1. Row. 2. So remember, students, sometimes the OW says O, like in row, and sometimes it says ow, like in cow, now. So students, our video is finished today, but I want to finish with the chants so that you remember to practice these chants many times. If you memorize all of the chants in my vowel videos, these chants will help you in the future for speaking English quickly. Wow, look now, I see a cow. Wow, look now, I see a cow. Look down, I see a clown. Look down, I see a clown. I saw a paw. Can you draw a paw? I saw a paw. Can you draw a paw? Thanks, students. Have a good day. Bye.